Everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Alrighty, so got it filled in here. Down here, I've got to get the piece of that pipe over there cut, and I'm going to put in here. Now I got to cut it with a so it fits on it like a saddle. Once it's on the pipe down here and straddling it, then I can backfill around it. And once I get it backfilled and everything else, then I can work on taking out that bulkhead there for the irrigation gate, because I'm not going to be using that anymore. I'll just be pumping out of it directly. Yeah, I need to get a little more dirt back up in here and run the tractor back and forth. Before I do that, I got to take out that piece of pipe that I was siphoning from the irrigation ditch last year. So yeah, and there's a bunch of dirt here piled up high on top of this here I got to take out. But once I get the piece put in down there, then I can get this backfill taken care of. This over here is taken care of pretty good here. I wanted to make sure I got this compacted on top enough, because over here I'm going to put another piece of that 3-foot pipe in here. I'm going to dig back over the that corrugated there. I think it looks like it could be, that's 15, 18, yeah, that could be 24-inch corrugated that Brandon had stuck in there. And once I get it dug back and I get the piece of pipe on there, I can get the rest of this filled in. The gap around it there, that'll allow for the water to come back out where I can will be siphoning out of here. I may or may not have to cut the top of the pipe there to pump out of there. That takes care of this side. Let's go look at the other side here. Oh, this is the compost pile. And so I got more stuff to add to it here. I got a whole bunch of hay that's inside, or straw that's inside of the old pig pen. And I got a bunch of bales of hay straw I can add to it too, as well as all the leaves we dug out. So I got this one sitting in here. This the gap here is a little bit more than what I figured it was going to be. What I might be able to do, I don't know. I was going to put a 3-foot piece in the, I'll have a stub in each one here, but because of the way that piece there got tore up by Brandon when wherever he got the pipe from, I may have to put do a 3-foot one down there, so that way I can slide the pipe out, and that way it'll work on both ends here. So we'll see how it goes. I don't think I'm going to be able to get to this before the irrigation water gets turned on, but it's going to be on for 1 week, off the next week. So I may be able to, in between weeks, get that dug out, get a 3-footer down there saddled on to get this over here close enough there to put a 3-footer on that. If I can get that done, then I'll just go ahead and start backfilling this here in. So yeah, that's what we got going here. So alrighty, so I will see you around in the next video, and if you got a chance, plant more food, because this year it's going to be I have a feeling it's going to be a little bit tight. You won't be total food shortages, you just won't have the varieties available for you at the stores. Alrighty, see you around.